Alright, here's a video for laptop screens.com. It's in reference for how to go and put your screen in a MacBook 13.3-inch widescreen Mac computer. I already prepped the area for the regluing of the self-adhesive tape around the framing of the computer top, ready for it to go and lay the screen back in and connect the wires for the connections. It's kind of tight, hard fit to go and put this one ribbon cable. Make sure you're very careful with the ribbon cable as well as everything else. And you're going to use in this whole procedure, I need to use a mini screwdriver, flat tip, and Phillips. I'm going to simply take the connection clip and fold it over the top of the clip. Make sure you hear a snap, click. Need to go and make sure that your screen is fully secure. Alright, there's several screws. First you're going to slide this slowly, easily in there into the bottom of the frame, and then everything should be lined up. Should be a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws total to go mount your screen in. There's going to be 4 big screws and 2 little screws. Alright. It's easy to use this, screw these screws in with a magnetic tip, so you'll have no problems with it. Once you have got that done, then you are ready to go and lay the framing of the laptop screen frame. First, you would need to go and make sure you be very gentle with the camera and microphone by placing it into the pegs of the framing. kind of make sure that you don't go and touch the camera part. Like I said, I had already prepped the area where the screen framing meets with a really thin double-faced adhesive tape. Go and press firmly. Once you get done pressing it firmly, make sure all of it's in sealed tightly, and you're ready to turn on your system. And that consists of the whole install on the 13.3-inch MACBOOK screen.